do you think that the temple will be rebuilt in our lifetime? Yes, Bezrat Hashem. Of course, the Mashiach will come during our lifetime, and when he comes, he will be the one that will get rebuild the Bet HaMikdash. I mean, the Bet HaMikdash. There's a debate of whether the Bet HaMikdash will be built by us or Hashem is going to send it down. But in essence, the debate is not really a debate, but rather there is already a Bet HaMikdash that Hashem has in Shemaim. And that Bet HaMikdash will come down, but he will bring it down incomplete. Because he would want us to become partners in this Bet HaMikdash, so we will add the final stones. We're not going to be building the Bet HaMikdash from scratch. That you could be sure of. The Bet HaMikdash has been something that has been built throughout the last several thousand years. As the Gemara tells us, multiple stories of different Chachamim that saw angels actually building parts of the Bet HaMikdash, such as the gates of the third Bet HaMikdash are made of huge diamonds that don't exist in the world today. They're bigger diamonds than you can, like this. You talking about huge giant gates that are all diamond, one diamond. Each one is a huge diamond, and the angels have been cutting them already, for the last several thousand years, and all types of other parts of the Bet HaMikdash that are being built as we speak. But the final stones, in essence, will be the righteous Jewish people that survive this difficult time because they cleave to Hashem. But as far as anybody thinks that the Bet HaMikdash is just simply going to be some, clever architect coming up with nice designs after he gets the funding from some multi-billionaire real estate developer, no, it's certainly not going to be that, not even remotely close to that.